Welcome to SuiteTrails. Today, we're taking you on a journey to explore the 7 top attractions in the charming city of Annecy, France. Get ready to be mesmerized by the beauty and history of this picturesque destination. Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description. Number 1. Annecy is known as the Jewel of the Haute-Savoie. It is located on the northwestern shore of the Annecy Lake. The wonderful Annecy's Vieille Ville, Old Town, which extends from the Château d'Annecy down to its beautiful canals, holds a very special antique charm. We will start this 2-hour private walking tour of Annecy with your private official tour guide at a centrally located meeting point. If you are arriving from out of town with us or own your own, we will arrange the best possible meeting point for a comfortable start of this private tour. Amongst others, here are some sights that you will enjoy. Lac d'Annecy, Vieille Ville, Jardins de l'Ireplante des Amours, Palais de la Cathedral and Basilica, Château d'Annecy, much more. Your private official tour guide will be at your full disposal for 2 hours. Number 2. Get to know Annecy at your own pace on this interactive scavenger hunt walking tour played on your phone. Decipher riddles, interact with the most important attractions of the city, and unlock interesting facts and legends. An ideal outdoor activity for first-time visitors, couples, groups, families, and children. Can be used as a great team-building activity. You will receive a link for the mobile app and login credentials after booking. Log into the app and start your adventure with the map as your guide. Soak in the vibrant atmosphere while listening to stories of this historical town. At each stop, learn about the attraction and solve a location-based riddle that can only be solved if you reach the specific location. Use logic, imagination, observation, and team spirit to unlock the correct code and reveal the next destination of the city sightseeing game. During the tour, choose to pause the app at any time to take a break or spend some more time to see the sights. Take time to see the famous Annecy Cathedral, Le Palais d'Ille, Église Notre-Dame de Liesse, Old Town Hall, and more. Learn facts about the history and culture city of Annecy throughout the tour. Explore the city at your own pace while playing a fun treasure hunt game with your team. Number 3. Experience the beauty of Lake Annecy in a unique way with our electric and muscle bike rentals. Whether you prefer leisurely rides or adventurous trails, our bikes offer the perfect mode of transportation to explore the picturesque surroundings. Conveniently located at our outside base in Annecy-le-Vieux, between Albigny and Petit Port, you can easily collect your bikes at the Rivage Hotel and Spa. From there, embark on a journey along the shores of Lake Annecy, discovering hidden gems and scenic viewpoints along the way. Our electric bikes provide effortless pedaling, allowing you to cover more ground with ease, while our muscle bikes offer a more traditional cycling experience for those seeking a workout. With options to suit every preference, you can tailor your biking adventure to your liking. Number 4. Step into a 60-minute exploration through Annecy from a local's perspective and get the most of your precious visit. From Cathédrale Saint-Pierre to Le Palais de Lille, get to know the city's most defining landmarks. Discover all the key facts about Annecy, experience the local lifestyle, and taste its unique culture. Your local, equipped with stories and tips, will point you toward the best local cuisine and direct you to lively bars where you can sip and chill in true Annecy style. This experience is focused on providing a genuine feel of Annecy, connecting you with the local way of life and its landmarks, all while fitting perfectly into any travel itinerary. Number 5. Discover Annecy at your own pace with our outdoor escape game. Number 6. Experience Annecy through the lens of a local, capturing both the iconic views and the photogenic charm of hidden corners. Navigate from the iconic Pont des Amours, capturing its romantic view over the lake and surrounding mountains, to the emblematic Palais de Lille, renowned for its iconic, triangular island palace. Uncover their unique roles in the daily life of locals, from being a beloved meeting point to a scene straight out of a postcard. Experience Annecy intimately, as your local reveals the stories behind famed postcard scenes, blending photogenic imagery with personal anecdotes. This experience offers a distinctive view of Annecy, combining picturesque highlights with authentic cultural insights, making it a can't-miss experience for any visitor. Number 7. Walk through a beautiful route of the city, discover hidden gems, and visit 10 plus of the most important attractions and spots. Learn some introductory information about each place and interesting stories about the city in general. Download the World City Trail app from the store and log in. Read the instructions and head to the starting location. Unlock photos of the exterior and the interior of the location. Read some information regarding the attraction and continue walking to the next checkpoint. Note what you liked and did not like and create your bucket list for the next days. Start your walk anytime, without a schedule. Pause it for lunch, have a drink, visit an attraction of your choice, and continue later, even another day. With the Maps feature, you will never get lost. Take time to see the famous Annecy Cathedral, Le Palais de Ile, Église Notre-Dame de Liesse, Old Town Hall, and more. Learn facts about the history and culture city of Annecy throughout the tour. Download the World City Trail app from the store. Then start your tour and enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.